We begin with breaking aviation news coming in from Nepal, where a major scare unfolded at the Tribhuvan International Airport at Kathmandu after the Turkish airline aircraft caught fire during landing. The incident triggered panic among passengers and led to an immediate emergency response by airport authorities. According to initial reports, the aircraft arriving from Istanbul developed a technical issue while landing. Shortly after touchdown, fire was detected in the landing gear area, prompting swift actions from the flight crew and emergency team stationed at the airport. All passengers and crew members on board were safely evacuated using emergency procurements. Thankfully, no casualties or serious injuries have been reportedly in the incident. Officials confirmed that the total of over 270 passengers were on board the flight at the time of the emergency landing. Eyewitnesses at the airport described the situation as tense, with smoke and sparks seen near the aircraft landing gear movement after it touched down. Emergency fire and rescue teams rushed to the scene immediately and managed to bring the situation under control within a short time. The fire was later extinguished and the aircraft was secured on the runway for inspection. Authorities temporarily suspended flight operations at the airport, causing delay and diversions for several incoming and outgoing flights. Normal operations were gradually resumed after safety clearance was given. Turkish Airlines has acknowledged the incident and stated that a technical inspection is underway to determine the exact cause of the fire. Preliminary assessment suggests that a possible malfunction in the landing gear system, although a detailed investigation is still ongoing. Aviation experts note that while such incidents are rare, landing gear related technical fault can sometimes lead to overheating or fire risk, especially under heavy landing conditions. However, they emphasize that modern aircraft are equipped with multiple safety systems to handle such emergencies. The Nepal Civil Aviation Authorities has also launched a formal inquiry into the incident. A team of engineers and safety inspectors is examining the aircraft to assess mechanical failure, maintenance record, and operational factors that may have contributed to the situation. Meanwhile, passengers who were safely evacuated have been accommodated and arrangements are being made for their onward travel. Turkish Airlines have also assured full cooperation with the investigation and support for affected travelers. This incident has once again highlighted the importance of strict aviation safety protocols and rapid emergency response systems that help prevent loss of life in such critical situations. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you more updates as officials detail emergence. For now, the key takeaway remains: what could have been a major tragedy was averted due to timely action by the crew and emergency responders. Stay tuned with us, do like, comment and subscribe our channel.